Hello guys, welcome to the channel All in One. Today I will make veg Manchurian dry. It is a Chinese food and it is a street food in Mumbai. It is very popular. So guys, let's start. First, take a cabbage, and this is cabbage. I will roll in mixie. Then I will add salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of haldi powder. And 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So I'll mix it. Guys, here I make some corn flour and flour. Now I will mix it. And I will mix a little bite of cabbage. Then I will mixing it well. See, my smooth dough is ready, and now I will make a medium size ball from this dough. Okay, let's see. Like this size, medium size of ball. One more. Now I will take a kadai and put in gas oven. See guys, my oven is on. Now I added oil. Now wait until the oil is hot. Oil is too much hot. Now I will give the balls with hot oil. See, one by one. See friends, my oven is too low. And see, now the ball is under the oil. When we'll fry the ball properly, now ball will come out the top of the oil. Let's wait. So guys, let's see, it's completely fried. Now I will pick up the balls on a plate. So yummy and so crunchy. So delicious also. Now I will make gravy. So I put in a karai in gas oven and start the oven. Now I will add oil. It was hot. And now I will add garlic, chopped garlic. Add chopped onion. Fry it 30 seconds. High flame. Now I will add green chili chopped. Now I will add capsicum. Fry 10 seconds. High flame. Now I will add salt, pinch of. Now I will add dark soy sauce. With a toothbrush. Tomato ketchup. And finally added spring onion. Now I take cornflour some and added some water. Mix it well. also added some water. And cooked it. And put the ball. Look, my Manchurian dry is ready. It look like so delicious and yummy. So guys, you really like my prepared recipe, please like my channel and follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.